Hi friends, Travis here coming at you with another room tour. This is Royal Caribbean's Voyager of the Seas, room 1157, a standard interior room on deck 11. Alright, let's go ahead and get this room tour knocked out while we're still in the cabin. It is debarkation day, so we will need to leave here shortly. But anyway, I thought I'd do a little walkthrough for you all so you can see, more or less what the room is like. So we'll start at the door. Once inside, on the back of the door, you've got your muster information and, more or less kind of little map of the ship and, pretty standard stuff. Immediately to the left as you walk in, there are a couple of hooks there. We've got the thermometer, not the thermometer, the thermostat rather, and then that is the light switch to the bathroom. It is on that side of the door, so it is inconvenient if you open the door and forget to turn the light on, because then you have to fully shut the door, come back out, and turn it on. So keep that in mind. Across the hall on this side, we have the main light switch, and then you have to have a key card in that slot. Our room came with this, dummy one, so we've just used that all week, and it's been fine. We have the closets here. I'll step back so you can kind of more or less see. It's a double door closet. Decent amount of space. This is also where you'll find the life jackets and all of that. And plenty of hangers, etc. in here. Some space up there as well. On this side, we have the vanity space. This is actually pretty long for, such a small room. And then we have storage in here. That's where the safe is, some shelving, etc. We do have a vanity light. Let me turn that on up there so you can do your makeup and what have you. Let me show you the outlet situation in here. We've got two American outlets down there, and then one adapter, whatever, friendly outlet there. And from what we could tell, that's all we have in this room. So that was definitely, we were using battery packs and things like that at night because we had no power source over by the bed. TV on here. This is on a swivel, whatever mount, so you can watch it from the bed pretty easily. It comes out pretty far and leans over pretty far. Oh, and I forgot, down here on this side, we've got a fridge. Just your standard Royal Caribbean fridge. Whatever. Chair here. This is also where you find the little things to hang if you want continental breakfast, information about different things, all of that, as well as a place to sit. And then we've got drawers in here. This is the one with the hair dryer in it, and then the other two are empty and ready for you to move into if you so desire to do so. On this back wall, we've got the bed. It's not nicely made like it normally is because we just got out of it. But we have the king configuration because, we sleep together. You can split this up into two twins. Nightstand on either side, as well as the ability to turn on the main room light and a side, reading light type deal as well. When they split the bed, they put the two nightstands in the middle. Artwork on the back wall. We'll work our way around here. Blank wall. Then we've got some more artwork and a little sofa seat here. This does not, from what I could tell, pull out or anything. So this is only a two-person maximum room, which is probably a good thing because it's pretty small. So I can't imagine it being comfortable with more than two people in here. But people do have multiple, 3 or 4 people in an inside cabin sometime with the Pullman stuff coming down from the ceilings and all that. So you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. Nice big mirror there. So you can actually, see your full outfit and all that. We'll work our way over to the bathroom. the light is already on, but again, you would need to flip that switch before you go in. Otherwise, then you're like having to reach around and try to get the light on, etc. Just a standard Royal Caribbean bathroom in here. You got the commode, the flusher button, different signs and details. This is where the towels go, the big towels, and then down there they normally have small ones, but we've used them all currently. There's some storage in here, but also the little toilet scrubber, and then we've got shelving all along here. There is power outlet up there for shavers or whatever you need to use that for. If that applies to you, we've got nice big light up top, plenty of mirror space here, and then there's also the vanity and sink there. And on the other side, we've got the shower. It's a Royal Caribbean shower pod. This particular room has the knob to turn on the water on the other side. If you had an opposite, like mirror facing room, this would be on this side, which to me would be more convenient because you have to turn it on and then quickly pull out so you don't get soaked by the water coming out. And they do have the all-in-one hair body wash thing for you if you use that. If not, there's a rack to put your own stuff. And this is the shower pod style, so these do open and close. Slightly better than a curtain, in my opinion, but it's not that big of a shower, so keep that in mind. I will step out here. There's Carlos, all of our stuff, and I'll leave you with kind of a spin of the room. But I want to thank you all so much for traveling with us. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, all those fun things. We'll talk soon, and y'all have a good night.